Bonjour. Welcome to your first homework assignment with a video on our website. So your job is first of all to practice. We'll go through the alphabet one time and then you'll have that one activity that is on your homework. So as awkward as it sounds talking to yourself, your job is just to say the alphabet with me. Okay, A. That wasn't very loud. Okay, let's try it again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, so let's try it together. So yes, I want you to say it at the same time as me, and you can pause if you're having trouble. Go back and do it again. Okay, together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So the beauty of this being a video or a recording is that you can go back and do it as many times as you need. The idea is when you walk in tomorrow in class, you should be able to say all of them. So let's try a few. You just say it out loud when you see the cursor. So how about this one? C, E. So you should say it before me. H, Q, A, U, O. Okay, so now some people are going to introduce themselves. And your job is they're going to introduce themselves and spell their name. So your job is to listen, and as they spell out their name for you, the part that says Je m'appelle, go ahead and on each line, write each letter that you hear in French. And again, you can go back and listen to it as many times as you want, but you'll hear them each twice. Okay, so numéro 1. Bonjour, je m'appelle Brigitte. B, R, I, G, I, T, T, E. Okay, sur la deuxième fois. Numéro 1. Bonjour, je m'appelle Brigitte. B, R, I, G, I, T, T, E. Numéro 2. And my apologies for having a woman's voice despite pretending like I'm a guy. Numéro 2. Bah bonjour, je m'appelle Olivier. O, L, I, V, I, E, R. Deuxième fois. Bonjour, je m'appelle Olivier. O, L, I, V, I, E, R. Numéro 3. Bah bonjour, je m'appelle Antoinette. A, N, T, O, I, N, E, T, T, E. Donc la deuxième fois, je m'appelle Antoinette. E, N, T, O, I, N, E, T, T, E. Merci. Okay, if any of those seem pretty difficult, it's all about practice. So go back, watch the video for the alphabet, say the alphabet again, and then try the activity again. Don't give up. right? Sometimes things that seem really hard the first time, with a little bit of practice, they get a little bit easier. So, merci beaucoup. Again, it's hard to learn things straight out without practicing, so practice as many times as you need. And be ready when you walk in tomorrow. A, B, C, D, E, F. You get the idea. Ok, merci beaucoup et à demain. Au revoir.